due to COVID-19 the main entrance is off, and we are going into inside the Noor Mahal by a side way, and due to COVID-19 the there is a strict obligation for wearing a mask. Now we are going to inside, and due to COVID-19 and the main entrance which are closed, and we reach on that portion. Here you see there is a big screen for the documentary of the Noor Mahal, where the tourists are come, and the people tell about the history of the Noor Mahal. We are sitting on the chairs, and now the documentary is start of the Noor Mahal. Now we are standing at the interior of the Noor Mahal. Here you see there is the maps and everything of the Noor Mahal. Now you can also see that the evolution of the Bahawalpur state. There are the three portions: blue and red and green. The red portion is about 1750 to 1772, and blue portion is 1727 to 1750, and green portion 1809 to 1826. Here you see the beautiful clock, and there is a very beautiful thing. It is the grand piano. It is imported from Germany. It is gifted by the Nawab Muhammad to his wife. And here you see there is the pics of the construction of the Noor Mahal, which in the management of the Prince Kamar Zaman Abbasi.
This is the main entrance of the palace. The furniture you see was imported from Burma. The chandelier, these were made up of gold, but now these are only the showpiece. The mirror you see is the biggest mirror of the Mahal, and there you see the throne of Sahib. It was made up of gold and aluminium, but now it is only a showpiece. Anyway, this Mahal is a hidden gem of Bahawalpur. Many people don't know about it at the
Now we are entering in Bahawal Gallery. There are 5 gates in Bahawal Gallery. First is the Ravdi Gate. In this gate, social issues were described. Now the second gate is Ahmadpuri Gate. And the third gate is Bohri Gate. In this, royal dresses are shown. In army issues were discussed.
And this is the bedroom we were talking about. We seldom see such a bedroom. No words for this whole room. You can see the dressing table with a big mirror mounted on it. On the other side of the room, you can see the beautiful bed which was made up of gold, but now it is only a showpiece. On the both sides of the bed, these are the side
Discussion of the Bahawal Gallery. Now I tell about the Sadiq Gallery. Here in the Sadiq Gallery, the front there is the bedroom of the Nawab Sadiq, and here you can see the Nawab Sadiq 5 corner pics. Here all the rulers of the Nawab Sadiq region are also here, and on the other way you can see there is a lot of the pics. Here is the portions on which there is the social portion, economic portion, and the meeting portion. Nawab Sadiq has the meeting, attend the meeting with his rulers and other tourists and generals and army. army. Here you see the meetings in that portion where the meetings are also attended. And
من أومدي من أومدي من أومدي وای وای من آمدی پیش فریاد کنم من آمدیم که ناز بنیاد کنم من آمدی من
This is called our Hajj van because Nawab Muhammad Sadiq went to Hajj on it. Now this is also in working condition. It has 8 cylinders.
here you can see, we can also tell about in the Noor Mahal there are the two ducts. These are the one duct on the side of the main entrance. Here I am going, and there you can see that there are the small rooms which are created in that ducts. It is the main purpose of this duct is about for cooling purpose. When the air come into with high pressure into that terminals, and the rooms are made, and on the side of the room there are the small portion of gauze. You can also see it is attached to the floor of the Noor Mahal. The air come here, and we can also tell about it is the water reservoir for the Noor Mahal. Due to the water reservoir, the air become cool, and the small portion of that room which are connected to the Noor Mahal wire gas, the air become cool and go into the side, and the air become cool, and the warm air become get up and go from the sunroof on the outside of the Noor Mahal.
من آمدیم من آمدیم من آمدیم وای وای من آمدیم